Good morning. It's a beautiful day here in Tampa, Florida. About 40 degrees. Couldn't ask for anything better. Got a green parrot here. This guy is going to explode. Instead of going for a headshot like normal, I'm gonna go broadside on this parrot here. It's right there, blow the whole thing up. I'm gonna step back a couple steps past 20 this time. We usually shoot about 18, 20 yards. I think I'm gonna go like 23. Got the Fox Triple Crown and carbon arrows. All right, let's blow this guy up. It's good grouping. All right, let's try and get some kind of explosion out of this. All right, there you have it. That's more like it. Shooting this laminate bow with these carbon arrows. I mean, I shoot bad all the time, but when I shoot good, it feels like cheating. I got to pick my self bow back up and start practicing for TBOF shoot coming up. All right, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.